Aloha everybody, welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. You can find us at beachwalks.tv. Welcome to another Beachwalks Flashback show. I'm actually on the road today, but we're putting this in the can so that both you and I can have a little bit of Hawaii sunshine while I'm traveling. Anyway, there's this popular bumper sticker here. It's called Ainokea, spelled A-I-N-O-K-E-A. And if you think about it, it looks like a Hawaiian word, right, when you see it? But if you think about what it sounds like, it's Ainokea. And that's an aspect of Aloha Beachwalks kind of philosophy of not taking life too seriously, not getting too worked up over things. And I find it's easy to kind of say those things, but it's very difficult some days to practice that. But you know, as I've been getting ready for my trip and having these meetings and things that I care about, I'm trying not to get too invested in the outcome. I'm trying to really trust that the right outcome will happen. I work as hard as I can, when I can and when I'm in the mood, and then I practice really dropping it, because what I find is that if I start caring too much, it really scrambles my brain. And I'm a Capricorn, so I like to be actually very practical. Sometimes people think this show is very kind of woo-woo or edgy in our thinking, but actually I just like to be very practical. And if I detach from the outcome of something and just let it go, my mind, my body, everything relaxes, and I can actually think much more clearly. That if I'm very, very caught up in what about this and what about that and should this happen and should that happen and what if this happens, and all that kind of thinking. So that's a little thought for today. Ainokea. It doesn't mean I don't have a preference. I have very, very passionate preferences, and I have willingness to work very hard for those. But in my energy at the end of the day, I really like to drop it and not care. Aloha. You can Skype us at Roxanne Darling, and you can call 949-544-1456. And I'll see you soon. Ahui ho!